Well, I got a treat for you. We were at Aldi one day looking for groceries that we needed, and we were in the Halloween section. We found some stuff, and we got to show you this. You might remember my video of the lead mask. We just found out this. This used to be Scream, wasn't it?
Oh, it already changed. Slowly, that's your hand. There you go.
Isn't that cool?
Sure is.
Okay, we got some stuff to get down with. First item. Nido glowy ghost. It glows. It says it on the back. This is life. Okay, we're gonna open it. It's open. Wow, snaps. That scene, I told you gonna do. We got a broken one.
Just put it on.
Oh. Oh, this is its cap. Yeah, this was not supposed to come off. You want, no? They're doing it like that and it's not falling off. Bro, you see white pus in there. Bro, how many pimple guys did you grab?
And this glows in the dark, right?
Yeah, let me.
Glowy ghost. And where do you found it?
Aldi.
What else?
I got something, so let's get down to that. When I snap, it's gonna appear right in front of me. Nice, right? Okay, these are all the ones you can get. Potion. Ghost. Wait. Potion. Witch. Pumpkin. Ghost.
What is that?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
It only says sweet, scented, sweet, and butter. I hope it's colored butter. Okay, this looks exciting. Let's start with potion because that's the first one we've said. Smell good. So they come with caps so you can put them on so they don't have to rot and stuff. So let's start with this one because it's the first one we ever said. Ooh.
That is the
Pot.
this one. The potion.
Oh my. I don't know how to describe this texture like.
So it's kind of like puffy slime, right?
Yeah. It's like pudding instead of slime.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
YouTube, if you're hearing
There you
this,
go.
yeah, YouTube, if you're hearing
And it
this,
smells like
you should
chocolate.
invent a feature that the audience can smell the stuff. Like,
It smells good.
It smells like chocolate. Oh wait, you can't smell it. I forgot. Okay, so we're done with that one. That is not a good tap, but okay. We got this one. It was the second one we said.
Show the picture on bottom. It's a witch.
Okay. Ooh, this one's different. It's like wetter.
Like what?
What? Let's get it out. This one smells like nothing.
Yeah, smells.
You want a hairdo? Okay, you got a spider web head.
And the next one,
I think we said the pumpkin after.
put the
Yeah,
cap, the lid on.
yeah. This is not a really good cap. Oh, this is pumpkin. This what is
The ghost.
go?
Or maybe you put the witch.
Oh, that was the witches.
Yeah. Well, let's do that at the end. Let's continue with this one.
Okay, no, that's the last one because we said the ghost last.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the pumpkin.
Okay. This one smells like hand lotion.
That's right. I love this one.
I don't, but whatever. Okay. This one was interesting. Mr. Ghost, you want it? Hey, you can't eat my slime. Big boy. Okay, we're gonna do the last and final one. That is bum 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 bum. The ghost. That smells like coconut.
Let's see the ghost.
Oh yeah, you didn't see the pumpkin.
Yeah. That's why it calls butter Halloween minis, because it feels like butter.
Oh my
What
gosh.
does it smell like? Vanilla, right?
Cocoa.
Cocoa vanilla.
Cocoa vanilla. And that's an interesting. Okay.
So, what do you think about this and this one? Give us a review.
A fair one. Well, I really like the slimes. And it made me grow a mustache. And I like the ghost because it glows in the dark. And because when you're angry, you can just squish it. Or when you're raging mad, you just on it. Well, see you guys later. Have a happy Halloween. Buckaroos. See ya. Bill. My mustache fell off.